Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Crelando Laminator. It is a premium product with integrated trimmer, integrated hole punch, ABS function for releasing jammed documents, removable corner rounder, heat up time 3 minutes with a maximum laminating size A3 and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included, of course, we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Includes laminating pound starter kit, 8 A3 pounces, 80 microns for hot laminating. Later that I will use. And here, of course, we have the cable, 1.5 meters the length, very convenient. Integrated hole punch here. And down here we have the storage for the papers. Nice, I like it. I will test, of course, and with the pounces. At the front it is the inlet, A3, A4 and A5 the maximum. The exit. Here it is the ABS function for releasing jammed documents. The on-off switch, the trimmer with measurement from 0 to 35 cm, and here again from 0 to 8 cm, both sides, stop left and right, degrees 15 to 90 degrees, and we have then the on-off switch, power and ready LED indicator for 80 micron, cold. 200 micron it is the maximum for the cold, and 125 micron for the hot, and 80 micron. And here we have the storage for the removable corner rounder. I will show you how it works later. So let's turn it on. There's the switch. We have the power. I can hear a sound. It takes about 3 minutes to warm up. And let's say I need to preserve this photo from my vacations. I have printed on my printer. It is a photo glossy paper. Maybe we can use it this way. I will cut the paper at my next test. Let's use it like that now. Red LED, let's wait until it will go to green. This is an A3 pounds. You can use A4, A5. It is ready. And automatic is taking the pounds inside. And out. Wow, it is warm. That was all. I like it. I like the result. Wow. Let's switch it off. And it's very easy to cut. Insert that inside. Okay, perfect. Press, slide, and cut. And the removable corner rounder, insert that inside and just press. So let's test it again. And let's see if we can cut a piece of paper. Yep, nice! I like it! Perfect! Love it! So that's how I can fit two different photos in one A3. It will be wisely to have a clean environment. You don't want any dust. Turn it on. Remove any unnecessary air as much as you can. Whether you are a crafter, a teacher, or just someone who likes to keep things organized and protected, this laminator offers a great mix of convenience and functionality at an affordable price. The Crelando Laminator is a user-friendly, with a straightforward design that allows you to laminate documents, photos, and crafts in minutes. Its quick warm-up time ensures you are ready to go with minimal waiting. Capable of laminating both hot and cold, this laminator works with different thicknesses of lamination pouches. giving you flexibility for all your projects, whether you are laminating photos, certificates or crafting materials. With its lightweight and compact design, is easy to store and transport. It's a perfect fit for home, offices, classrooms or crafting spaces where space might be limited. The laminator delivers a clean and professional finish, protecting your documents from wear and tear, spills or graces. It's great for preserving important papers or creating long-lasting craft projects. Wow, amazing results! If you are looking for a laminator that combines ease of use with great results, the Crelando Laminator is a solid option. I hope this review gave you a good idea of how the laminator can meet your needs, whether you are using it for work, school or hobbies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews, tips and project ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.